Attention all shop owners. InMotion Brands presents the top 7 insights in consumer trends in auto repair search. These findings could be instrumental in helping businesses position themselves right where the consumers are, online. Did you know that the keyword with the most significant surge in searches was car repair and maintenance? An astounding figure of 33,000 searches were recorded, marking an increase of over 28,000%. This trend suggests that consumers are not only seeking repairs, but also putting a strong emphasis on maintenance, reflecting a shift in vehicle care priorities. A considerable uptick was observed in searches related to mobile mechanics. Keywords such as mobile mechanic near me open now and mobile brake repair have soared, indicating a growing demand for convenience and on-demand services. But it's not just about convenience. Consumer searches have become more localized and specific. Keywords like suspension near me and tire shop near me now open suggest that people are seeking nearby options for their particular automotive needs. This trend could be a windfall for local businesses specializing in these services, especially if they can effectively target their marketing efforts. Brand recognition and localization also play a critical role. Searches for specific brands or chains that emphasize brand building reveal that consumers value reputable service providers in their vicinity. This underscores the importance of having a strong brand and local digital marketing strategies. While mobile services are on the rise, traditional repair shops are far from obsolete. Searches like mechanic near me open now and tire shop near me remain popular, showing that a significant number of consumers still prefer or rely on brick-and-mortar repair shops. Interestingly, the demand for specialized automotive services is growing. Keywords like German auto specialist and hybrid mechanic near me suggest that businesses catering to these specific needs may find opportunities for growth in niche markets. Lastly, price sensitivity is a key factor. Searches related to costs such as tire repair cost and brake replacement cost signal that consumers are actively seeking information about the cost of automotive repairs. Businesses that can provide transparent pricing information might find themselves at a competitive advantage. To sum up, the auto repair and maintenance market is dynamic and diverse. Opportunities are ripe for both traditional repair shops and emerging mobile services, as well as niche specialty providers. By meeting the evolving needs of consumers and emphasizing convenience, transparency, and local presence, businesses can position themselves to thrive in this competitive landscape. For more detail or to get local data on consumer search trends in your market, reach out to InMotion Brands.